It's Runway Monday.
People ask me a lot how to show confidence on the runway. And I think part of it is knowing what to do, but that you have to know what to do, which is why you guys are all here, right? And one of the things that I've noticed is when people rush on the runway, it makes them seem like they don't know what they're doing, in my opinion. So if somebody comes down and they're just like, okay, so that's one thing, and you may not think much of it, but when someone comes, doesn't that just in itself exude confidence? Like that just seems like, I know what I'm doing, I did this intentionally, and this is what I meant to do. You know, I want you to see me. So there's a difference between okay, 3 seconds at the tip of the runway.